Most of the students think they need a better routine. Wrong. You don't need another timetable, you need a system that actually forces results. As a student to a student, we have tried waking up early, making plans, watching productivity videos, and still ended up scrolling our phones 2 hours later. That's actually not a discipline problem, but that's a design problem. In this video, I am breaking down the real daily routine that I have personally followed and it has helped me a lot. First, your brain only has 2 best hours. Your brain works best for only a short time each day, maybe 2 hours, that's it. After that, your focus becomes weak. The ones who top the class don't study all day. They study in these 2 hours very seriously. In these 2 hours, no phone, no music, no distraction, study one hard subject. The truth is, if you waste these 2 hours, your whole day becomes average. Second, energy is more important than time. Most of us think that time is important, but you are wrong. What is really important for your brain is good sleep, proper food, no too much scrolling. If these don't align properly, your routine will fail. If you really want to top everyone, sleep at the same time every day, eat heavy food after studying, not before, don't use phone before studying. Simple rule, take care of your brain first, everything else comes later. Third, fake studying is very common. You read notes, highlight and watch videos that makes you feel like you are studying, but it's not real learning. The top 0.01% students do this instead. Close the book and write what they remember. Try questions before they feel ready. Test themselves every day. Why? Because the brain learns when it struggles. The truth is, if studying feels easy, you are not learning much. Fourth, your surroundings matter a lot. Motivation comes and goes, but your environment stays. While you are studying, you should keep phone far away, keep desk clean, only keep study things near. Don't rely on motivation, just follow what really matters. This makes distraction impossible. The truth is, if your place is messy, you won't be able to focus properly. Fifth, use a second brain. Don't try to remember everything in your head, because when you only learn in your head, you forget fast and get confused easily. What I personally did to remember things for longer time, use one notebook or app to write down what you have learned, write mistakes, ideas and lessons. This way you can read this again to catch up with it later. Why? Your brain is for thinking, not storing. Simple truth, if you don't track what you learn, you will keep starting from zero. Sixth, rest is also important. Average student mindset is, I will study for 1 hour and uses their phone for 2 hours. But what top students do is, if they study for 1 hour, they take proper rest before starting again. What I used to do after studying is go for a walk, go to gym, or sometimes sit quietly. Why? Because good rest is equals better focus the next day. See, everyone's life is full of distractions. No routine will help you because routines don't fix your habits, they only show what you already are. The real simple routine you should follow every single day. Wake up, don't use phone, study hard for 2 hours at least, eat and take a break, go to gym or go for a walk, study again for testing yourself, review mistakes, relax without using phone, sleep on time. That's it. Actually, there is no perfect routine. There is only a system that either works or doesn't. And right now, most people are stuck in routines that look good but don't produce results. If you fix your energy, environment and identity, you won't need motivation anymore. You will just execute.